Hi, we're Mallory and Savannah. We are two best friends that have a DIY vlog called Classy Clutter.
We truly believe that if you can dream it, you can do it. And this is where our DIY meets design.
Magic Kingdom.
Kyle,
Yes,
are you ready?
born ready.
Craig, are you ready?
Especially with these shoes.
Your shoes are... All of us are wearing new shoes, which I feel like is probably a bad idea. But
As you just said that, I was like, ooh.
wait, show us your shoes.
They're broken in already.
These are the ones Savannah got.
I do love them.
Look at those.
What do you mean yours are broken in already? You put them on 5 seconds
Literally
ago.
had them for 30 seconds.
And look at Mouse. So cute.
Craig, put your foot up on the dash and show us.
My knee can't bend.
I know.
Okay.
That's what's great about
Oh,
it.
there you
Yeah, there you go. We are, and there's a snowman Mickey Mouse. We are here for Mickey's Christmas party, and the park closes at 6 p.m.
Promptly.
promptly at 6 p.m.
For the party.
for us. For Savannah.
I cannot wait, honestly. All my dreams are coming true.
We are at Disney World. My first time, your second?
My second time.
And
But first time without kids, which makes a difference.
basically, it's you're living again.
Basically.
It's a new life.
It's like, it really is a new experience without children.
So we're waiting in line to get in.
It's the Mickey's Christmas party tonight, which means
Cookies.
lots of cookies. That's all I keep on hearing.
So we got our fast passes, we got our Christmas party tickets, and we're basically going to be
They kick
living
out
our
a lot
best
of the
lives.
people out of the park at 6 o'clock.
And we're
right?
just getting here at 4, so that we have 2 hours with
If
everyone.
you're not wearing coat shoes, they kick you out.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah, exactly. Why do you think we had to stop and get these?
We had to. It's like a
Craig and
necessity.
Kyle are here.
Kyle. We're wearing brand new shoes for the first time ever today, so we're gonna see how this goes.
It's gonna be a not the best choice, but they look cute.
Yeah, they do.
They look super cute.
And when you didn't plan on coming to Disney World until you get to Florida,
You should go with
you just
it.
go with it. Right, Kyle?
Sure.
Things can get weird real quick. It's gonna be a great day today.
What?
Y'all.
That is a great choice.
Good choice.
I think you put him in his face.
He's happy.
Here we go.
We have 6 minutes to get to Jingle Cruise.
We're going to Jingle Cruise in Adventureland. It's Jingle instead of Jungle.
Jingle all the way.
He's gonna serenade us on the cruise.
Yep.
Blake! Blake, what are you doing?
Clear. So wave goodbye to all those nice people on the docks. Now wave goodbye to all the naughty ones. Bye, Skipper Trey. Santa knows why you did. That's what he says, right?
Merry Christmas, guys! World famous peppermint crunch cookies! Yay!
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have fun. Merry Christmas.
If you turn all of the barrels full of gems at the same time, Snow White appears. There she is. You're doing awesome.
you're in the splash zone. It's common knowledge of fourth row.
Okay, we're gonna see.
We'll see how that goes.
Yes, we will.
Are you ready to get wet?
Furry cups. Furry.
I don't care who you are. This is the most magical experience. Free cookies and hot chocolate for Mickey's Christmas party.
Everywhere you go.
Well, maybe not. She doesn't care who you. If you're a magician, it's probably more magical somewhere else.
Well,
No, that is
they
false.
say Merry Christmas to you. They say Happy Holidays to you. Like the workers are beyond happy to be here.
And all dressed up, and this is the perfect temperature hot chocolate. Doesn't burn your mouth.
Literally shocked.
And you can get as much as you want, and then people just keep handing me cookies and saying Merry Christmas.
Yep, it's true.
Let me go! I told you it's time for show, Red Rabbit. Guess I'll show you who's smart as hell. What are you doing, Red Fox? Let me go!
How are you feeling right about now?
A little nervous. We're gonna see what happens. They were singing Happy Something.
They got dark real quick. Go, Kyle. Just a little bit wet.
Yeah, look wet. It's mostly my face. Your shirt's all wet.
I didn't know it was getting wet.
It's Splash Mountain. What do you think was gonna happen?
Splash Mountain. Kyle, did you get really wet?
No, I'm good.
Let's go buy
Like my face.
Looks like
I need
jammies
to go
and
buy
Crocs.
dry jammies.
Yep, good idea.
Santa got to the North Pole and needed something.
Those little girls are looking at me like, what is this lady doing?
No, you're good.
The reindeer flew to Mexico and they flew to the UK, to Canada, to Europe, and all across the USA. Now, as wranglers, we love Christmas Eve. And here's the reason why. That's the night when the youngins find there's magic in the sky. All Dasher, all Dancer, all Prancer and Vixen, Snoopy and Sneezy. Neil! There's more to get there. Come on, man. So always find your parents. Be as good as you can be. Because you never know what you might find.
This is how the new shoes are going.
Crocs is on the front were $50.
$45
I can either walk like this or be $50 richer.
The brand new shoe situation was not the best idea we've ever had. Not the best.
Just so you can have some Crocs.
Did you watch?
Kyle's very happy.
Riding on a cushion of air.
Kyle's very happy with his choice of shoe.
I'm like Monica in her boots.
Mallory, on the other hand,
I would
Sexy
return them, but
boots.
now the insides are filled with my blood. That's what she says.
well,
My
here we
shoes are still cute, and I still want
Show
them.
everyone my $17 Nikes that
Craig's
fit like
are doing
a glove.
We
I actually
all wear
had-
new shoes.
Hey, Craig, how many blisters do you have?
I had a pair of socks, extra pair of socks in my pocket.
That I have
didn't-
now folded and made a bandage.
Oh, whatever.
She made a bandage on the back of her ankle.
And I look good. This
Yeah.
is my best self, guys.
We were gonna buy the
Wonder.
Crocs. The Crocs though were $45, right?
Yeah, plus tax.
Title, license,
crazy.
doc fee, dealer transfer. all the
Plate
stuff.
fee.
Yeah, all the stuff.
I had an extra pair of socks. I didn't really know that Mallory
You literally
wanted them. the whole entire time, and I pulled them out of my pocket. And she was not happy about it. Kyle got the air. What did you get, Kyle?
I don't know, but they're like, they got bubbles that protrude out.
They really are, honey.
Let's see, they're Air Maxes, I know that, but I don't know which ones.
Air Max. You guys, Sam follows us on Instagram, and she found us. She really pulled through. She brought us Band-Aids and ointment. You guys, this is what it's all about. This is a Christmas miracle, I tell you. Christmas miracle.
It's a Disney magic Christmas miracle.
Make sure you check out our YouTube channel, subscribe. Also follow us on Instagram for even more behind the scenes at Classy Clutter, and we will see you